日常口语100句。I just made it. I just made it. 我做到了。I'll see to it. 我会留意的。I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. 我在赶时间。It's her field. It's her field. 这是她的本行。It's up to you. It's up to you. 由你决定。Just wonderful. Just wonderful. 简直太棒了。What about you? What about you? What about you? 你呢？ Thank you. Thank you. 谢谢你。You're welcome. You're welcome. 不客气。Any day will do. Any day will do. 哪天都行。Are you kidding? Are you kidding? 你在开玩笑吧。See you next time. See you next time. 下次见。I don't know. I don't know. 我不知道。I don't mean it. I don't mean it. 我不是故意的。I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. 明天见。It sounds great. It sounds great. 听起来很不错。It's a fine day. It's a fine day. 今天是个好天气。So far, so good. So far, so good. 目前还不错。What time is it? What time is it? 几点了？ You can make it. You can make it. 你能做到。